Alright, y'all. Well, on the KBS coatings for your exhaust, when I did the original burn barrel, also with no preparation, sprayed the exhaust on my Impala. So we're gonna see how that is 37 days later. Oh, I hate seeing silver. I hate seeing exhaust on a car. Hide the exhaust. Now this is 37 days. Look at that. It's still. Look at that on my 18 Impala Premier. Look at the mufflers. That KBS coating thing is beautiful. It's glorious. You can see where I didn't quite spray the top, but that's okay. I didn't care about that. I cared about what you see behind the car, which is black. Everything that ain't red needs to be black and hidden. I don't want to see the exhaust. I don't want to see mufflers. I don't want to see any of that crap. But here it is, 37 days later on my Impala. I can't recommend this stuff enough. I may not paint the Camaro one just because it's a pretty stainless muffler with pretty stainless exhaust, but there you go, man. A little bit more of those KBS coatings. I'll have the details of what I used in the description. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.